Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to change Facebook Messenger ringtone on an Android phone. Follow these easy steps to easily learn how you can easily change your Facebook Messenger ringtone for your calls. Go ahead and launch the Messenger app on your phone and then tap on this menu icon. Here, tap on Settings. Scroll down and tap on Notifications and Sounds. And here, tap on Ringtone. And currently, this is my ringtone. Now from here, you can select any different ringtone. So this is how we can easily change our Facebook Messenger ringtone for our Android phone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.